Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings, and you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I'm going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The REDTIGER 4K dashcam front rear, STARVIS 2 sensor, free card included, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 20 megabytes per second, fast download, dash camera for cars with GPS, WDR night vision, 170 degrees wide angle, 24H parking mode F, 7NP earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the REDTIGER store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is about this item. REDTIGER F7NP dashcam captures every detail with stunning 4K front and 1080p rear video. Featuring the advanced STARVIS 2 sensor, plus the 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lens, this dash camera delivers sharper images, balanced lighting, and reliable evidence day or night. Ideal for commuting, road trips, rideshare drivers, and new drivers. Equipped with the advanced STARVIS 2 sensor, f10.5 large aperture, and 6-layer optical lens, F7NP 4K dual dashcam delivers clear, high-contrast footage in any lighting. WDR and HDR technology balance highlights and shadows, ensuring sharp night vision and crisp details day or night, providing reliable evidence and enhanced safety for every drive. Connect your smartphone to the dashcam's built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi to enjoy ultra-fast downloads up to 20 megabytes per second. Using REDTIGER Cam app, you can preview, download, and replay videos in real time, check GPS ADA route, speed, and location, and manage settings effortlessly, making it simple to review footage and share important moments. This car camera supports seamless loop recording to ensure continuous coverage without interruption. Older files are automatically overwritten when storage is full, while important events are safely locked. A free memory card is included, giving you ample space for 4K recordings and allowing you to use the camera right out of the box. Enjoy round-the-clock protection with 2 parking modes, time-lapse recording for continuous low bitrate monitoring, and G-sensor mode that records when collision is detected. The car security camera with G-sensor automatically locks important clips, ensuring crucial evidence is safely preserved even while your vehicle is parked. Hardwire kit needed. Built with a high-reliability supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery, F7NP-cam offers safer performance, longer lifespan, and improved heat resistance. Ideal for hot climates and long parking hours. Backed by an 18-month worry-free warranty and responsive customer support. Please avoid using non-original or low-quality charging cables or accessories. Always use the original or officially recommended accessories for safe and stable performance. Follow the installation steps in the user manual and official tutorial video to prevent loose connections. Do not expose the device to high temperatures for long periods. If it overheats, disconnect the power and allow it to cool down. See more product details. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is product information features and specs compatible with vehicle type bus, car, minivan, truck connectivity, technology Wi-Fi other, special features of the product STARVIS, 2 sensor, app control, built-in display, loop recording, built-in GPS, WDR, internal memory, free 128 gigabytes, memory card, G-sensor, compact design, 4K front and rear dual cams, built-in Wi-Fi, night vision, OTA firmware update, built-in supercapacitor, 18-month reliable warranty, help at redtigercam.com. automatic incident detection, loop recording, G-sensor, parking monitor, audio recording video capture resolution, 1080p, 2160p mounting type, windshield mount field of view, 170 degrees control method, app screen size, 3.16, optical sensor technology CMOS flash, memory type SD, maximum aperture, 1.5 f, auto park position, front R batteries in. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide. A price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago. And it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes, that movement is upward. Sometimes, it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.